Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel EduCarTech. And in today's video we are going to do exercise 2.4, but this is going to be our part 2 because in previous part I've done first 2 questions. Now in this part I'll do next 2 questions. Okay, so let's see what are our questions saying. Find the value of k if x minus 1 is factor of px in each of the following cases. See, some of the following polynomials are given which are denoted as px. So x minus 1 is factor of px in all of the questions below. So what we have to do? We have to find the value of k in them. So let's see, x square plus x plus k. X square plus x plus k. Here we have to find the value of k. See, if we equate, let's erase all of this. X minus 1, which is given to us, let it be 0. So x will be 1. Okay. Now x will be 1. Now if x square minus x, x square plus x plus k, here it will also be 0 because we know that they all are factors. This is factor of this. So x square is 1 square plus 1 plus k equal to 0. Okay. Now 1 plus 1 equal to k minus k, because this plus k go there and become minus k. Now 2 is minus k, so k will be minus 2. K will be minus 2. Okay. Now our second question. Two x square plus kx plus root 2. Let's again solve this. Equal to 0. Okay. Now what will we do? We'll just solve it further. 2x square will be 2 1 square plus k into 1 plus root 2. Okay. Now 2 ones are 2, k ones are k, and root 2 will remain as it is, equal to 0. K equal to minus 2 minus root 2. Okay. So this will be our final answer. Let me see if something is missing in this question. Yes, this will only be our answer. So minus 2 minus root 2. Okay. Let's erase it. Now next is kx square minus root 2x plus 1. Kx square minus root 2x plus 1 again equals to 0. Okay. So k 1 square minus root 2 into 1 plus 1 equals to 0. K minus root 2 plus 1 equal to 0. So K will be root 2 minus 1. This will be our answer final. Now next one, kx square minus 3x plus k. Kx square minus 3x plus k equal to again 0. Okay, now let's see. K 1 square minus 3 into 1 plus k equal to 0. Okay, now k into 1 square is k, minus 3 into 1 is minus 3, and plus k will remain as it is, equal to 0. So here will be 2k equal to minus 3 will go there and it will become plus 3. So what will be k? K equal to this will go there and become an upon. It will be 3 divided by 2 or 3 upon 2. So friends, now we will come to our next question, which is a factorization. We have to factorize the following. 12x square minus 7x plus 1. 12x square minus 7x plus 1. Let's solve it. How will you solve it? See, firstly you have to multiply 12 and 1. This is middle term splitting. It cannot be done using that identity. Okay, so let's see. 12 into 1 is 12x square. What we have to see? We have to try it in a way so that if we have to do the factors of it, when we multiply them, this comes, and when we add both of them, so this should come. Means let's take 12x and 1x. 12x and 1x multiplied, we will get 12x square. But if we add them, so it is 13x square, which is not equal to 7. So this is not correct. 6x and 2x, again not correct, because 6 into 2 is 12, but 6 plus 2 is 8, not 7. Now 3x into 4x. Yes, this option is correct. So we'll do 12x square plus 4x, I mean minus 4x minus 3x plus 1. Okay, now if we see here, so what can be taken common? 4x can be taken common. Now what will be left? 3x minus 1, and we'll take minus over here, and 1 will be taken common, because nothing is common in both of them, so 1 is always. It will be 3x because minus 1 into 3x is minus 3x. Okay, minus 3x, so it will be 3x minus 1, because minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1. Okay, so now what will we do? 4x minus 1 and multiplied by 3x minus 1. 3x minus 1. This will be our answer. 4x minus 1 into 3x minus 1. Now next one, it is 2x cube 2x square plus 7x plus 3. 2x square plus 7x plus 3. Okay, 2x square plus 7x plus 3. Again we will use middle term splitting. So how do we split the middle term? 2 into 3 is 6x square. Now what will we do? If we see 6x into 1x. So 6 into 1 is 6x. 6x into 1x is 6x. 6x plus 1x is 7x. Yes. So this will be correct. So our first try is correct. Now 2x square plus 6x plus x plus 3. Okay. Now 2x square plus 6x. What can be taken common? 2x. We have taken common. Now what will be left? X is left and 2x is 3 times. So 3 is left. Now here nothing is common, so 1 is common. Again x plus 3. So what will we write? This bracket x plus 3 and here 2x and this symbol and this plus 1. So this is our answer for next one. Now let me erase it. Yes. Let's solve it. Third part. Six x square plus 5x minus 6. 6x square plus 5x minus 6. And here I'll write fourth, which is 3x square minus x minus 4. 3x square minus x minus 4. Okay. Now I'll solve them. 6x square plus 5x plus, minus 6. So if you see it, so 6x square into 6, it is 36 x square. So what can be done to get 5x? If you see, there is no option to do so. So what will we do? We just see 12 2 the 24 and 12 3 the 36. But 12 is positive and 3 is negative. So 12 3 the and it will come 9. But 9 is not equal to 5. So if we try another option, we'll take 9. 9 into 4. So 9 into 4 is 36 and 9 minus 4 is 5. So yes, both of these are getting true. So what will we do? We'll do 6x square plus 9x minus 4x minus 6. Okay. Now 6x square and 9x. What can get common? 3 is common. And x is also common. So 3 to the 6. And x into x is x square. So x has come as it is. Now 3x into 3 is 9x. Now here what is common? 2 is common. 2. So minus 2 we have taken common. What will be left? 2x. Because minus 2 into 2x is minus 4x. So we have to take the care of symbol. Now 2 3 is 6. 2 3s are 6. So here 3 will come. Now these brackets are same, means our answer is correct. 3x minus 2, this one, and 2x plus 3, this one. Okay. Now our answer is 3x minus 2, 2x plus 3. Let's solve this one. Firstly, we have to see this. 3 into 4 is 12. Now we have to see an option in which if we multiply both of them and answer which has come is always 1. So if you see 3x square and minus x is it, means the greater one is negative and the smaller one is positive. Now 3 into 4 is 12. So what are the factors of 12? We can write it as 3 into 4, where 4x and 3x, 4x is smaller, 4x is bigger, 4x is negative and 3x is positive. Plus 3x minus 4x, minus 4 over here and plus 3x square over here. Okay, now we will solve it. 3 is common and x is also common, so 3x will get common. Now x is left and here 1 is left. If we take minus common, so that it is also same as this bracket, 4 will get common, x plus 1. Now 3x minus 4, x plus 1. This is our answer of this question. Friends, our video is till this time only. But in next video, I'll continue with my exercise. Till then, bye bye and see you all in the next class.